Guys, update lang tayo guys sa mga manok natin guys. Tara guys, tignan natin guys. Ito nga pala guys. Ito nga pala guys yung Golden Boy Cross to Silton guys. Ayan guys. At saka ito yung throwback natin guys na hini guys. Ito nga pala guys yung Silton Cross to Hats guys. Ayan guys. Yan naman guys, Silton Cross to Golden Boy guys. Yan. Ito nga pala guys yung Silton Cross to Silton gihapon guys. 50-50 na yata ito guys. Yan guys. Ito nga pala guys yung hats natin guys na yellow leggeds guys, yung paa nila at saka cross sa Silton guys. Ito rin guys yung Silton Cross to Hats guys. Dalawang magkapatid to guys. Ayan guys. Ito nga pala guys yung 5 months natin guys na Golden Boy Cross to Silton guys. Bagong gupit guys. Ayan, 5 months pa to guys. Ayan guys, 5 months pa rin to guys. Golden Boy Cross to Silton guys. Kaso lang ito guys, namamalo to guys. 5 months pa to guys. Ayan. Ito rin guys, Golden Boy to Cross to Silton guys. Ayan. Nakapagpanalo na to guys. Isang beses guys, nanalo to guys. Ayan. Ito guys, Silton Cross to Golden Boy guys. Ayan. Mag 5 months pa to guys. Ayan. Ito guys, Silton Cross to Golden Boy guys. Ayan. Ito rin guys, ganun pa rin. Golden Boy Cross to Silton guys. Tapos 5 months pa to guys. Ayan guys, bagong gupit to guys. Ito rin guys, Golden Boy Cross to Silton guys. Bagong gupit pa rin. Tapos 5 months pa to guys. Ayan guys. Ito nga pala guys yung original natin na broodcock guys. Ito yung Silton Cross to Golden Boy guys. Ayan guys. Mag 6 years na to guys. Ayan guys. Ito yung broodcock natin dito guys. Silton Cross to Golden Boy guys. Ito guys. Silton to Cross to Golden Boy guys. Mag 5 months pa to guys. Ayan. Bagong gupit guys. Ito Ito nga pala guys, yung kapatid ng Silton guys. Silton cross to Golden Boy guys. Ito yung nakapag-champion natin guys. Bali kapatid to ng palahi natin na Silton guys. Ayan guys. Ito yung nakapag-champion natin guys. Ito guys, Golden Boy cross to Silton guys. Ayan, 5 months pa to guys. Ayan guys. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat. God bless guys.